So when you're done shooting a roll, this spool will be left on this side. You want it opposite the side with the arrow. Does that make sense? And then you want to put your new roll in so that the paper's coming underneath, and then you put it under this. Feed it through this little slot. And then wind it. And then you want to make this arrow meet up with that red arrow. Like that. Oops. It's kind of loose. And then just pop it in. Actually, I think the dark slide has to be in. That's it. And then, actually there's one more step. You can either wind it on or off the body. Let's wind it on the body. So you have it loaded, it's at the arrow, and you just want to wind it till you see a 1 there. And it should stop for you. Now you're ready to shoot.